vlog starts me kneeled on the floor because we got some packages. And yeah, happy Saturday. It is the weekend. It's time to party. Not really. Oh my gosh, I look rough right now. I think all my eyeliner is like still sitting on my under eyes. Anyways, so yeah, good morning, happy Saturday. It is about 10:30 a.m. I don't know what happened to this morning. Like I said, I like sleeping in on Saturdays and forcing myself to sleep in, even though I don't like to. And I literally wake up every like 30 minutes, which I don't know how productive that is. But anyways, we got a really, really sweet package from our friend Libby. So Libby, if you're seeing this, thank you so much for this package. I am out of words. I opened it and I couldn't figure out what the heck it was, because it was an Amazon package to my sister's name, and I was like, and she said that she didn't remember ordering anything. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute. Well, the package looks like, and it says keep your gift a surprise and wrap your present before opening this envelope. But I just wanted to see who it was from, because we were very confused as to what this was. But yeah, it's a present from our friend Libby. I'm so excited to open it. Thank you so much, Libby. You're the sweetest ever. All right, so we just got done finishing. No, did that actually make sense?
Yeah, yes, it could.
We just finished eating our lunch. We ended up just having leftover pita from the other night and some shrimp from last night. And my friend Joanna just came by to drop off her little cookie tin. Oh, it's so cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. This is the tin. I wanted this tin from Target, but actually wasn't able to get it because I took too long to find it. So I'm so excited that she gave me this tin. But let me show you guys what's inside, because it's even better. Look at all these goodies that she did. Wow, that is so much work. So she ended up making some alfajores, which are here, the Mexican wedding cookies. These are gingerbread man cookies, which are cat shaped because cats. And she made some candy cane meringues, I think they're called. These are chocolate chip M&M chocolate chip cookies, some chocolate dipped pretzels, and I think she said these are called Linzer cookies. Look at, I'm just gonna take one out real quick to show you. Look how beautiful these cookies are. I think these are like one of the prettiest cookies ever, aren't they? She did a really good job. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm excited to try these. Which ones are you excited about?
I'm excited to try everything.
Everything?
It's going to be a lot of sweetness.
These we already tried. We tried these and these the other night because she sent us extra. This is the ones that I helped her make the other day. And these, I just piped some of the dulce de leche on the inside. So I didn't help her make all of it. I just helped her make a few. And the rest, I have not tried it. Actually, no, I'm lying. I've tried these when I was there helping her. And I tried a piece of these. So I haven't tried 3, I guess. But either way, they look delicious. And I'm so excited. Hello everyone, it is 6:30 and we just got home from the Gilroy outlets because I needed to make a return for some shoes that Francisco got me and they didn't fit. So we went out there and we were able to find the right size, and they were actually having like a really good sale for their shoes, so I ended up getting a second pair. But anyways, we just got home. We're feeding the cutie cots down there and making ourselves some really quick dinner. Because we didn't want to eat out, since we're probably gonna eat out tomorrow, and we're trying to eat out the least possible. Also because we have a lot of frozen food, like you guys saw on the previous vlog, so we need to work through that. So we're eating all frozen foods today, which are going to be delicious. So let me show you guys what they are. I'm also going to make some of this Japanese style fried rice, and it's with a side of shelled edamame. All that noise you hear in the background is Francisco. And yes, I already have the sauce going here, and I have the chicken over there, and I'm gonna do the rice and the edamame in there. What do you want? You've been bothering all day, sir. Hey, what is it? What do you need? Do you want to tell Dad what you need? Huh?
Some more food in my bowl, Dad. It's the bottom.
Guys, today we're just filled with love. So Francisco's friend, Ray, also known as Raymundo, or Raymundo, also known as Ray.
Raymond.
Raymond?
Yeah.
Why do you call him Raymundo?
I don't know.
I thought that was...
I called him.
Oh, anyways, do you want to tell them?
Yeah, so he said, so I guess he likes experimenting with like meat and stuff, right? So he does his own like sausages and stuff like that. So he kind of just makes them from scratch. And he ended up making some with brisket. So he ended up bringing some to us to try out. And that's pretty much what we got here. So he ended up bringing over this.
Wow, that's humongous. Oh my
It's pretty much
goodness.
just stuffed with nothing but brisket.
Oh,
Yeah,
he
he's
made
gonna
this
make
by
from scratch.
scratch. That's so cool.
So he put it in the casing and everything. He tied the ends. And it looks hella good. It smells really good.
We're probably gonna warm up a little piece right now and eat it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have that right now, and it was pretty cool. He did like a drive-by drop-off.
It's a contactless drop-off.
Contactless drop-off for all his friends. It was a total of what, 4 of you guys?
3.
3?
Yeah.
3 of you guys. So he
Total
kind
of
of.
3.
What do you mean 4 of you guys total?
I mean, including him, it's 4 of us.
No, but who he's
Yeah,
giving
he only
to?
did 3 drop-offs.
Yeah, so he did 3 drop-offs, and were we the last ones?
No, he's gonna go to Augie's right now.
Oh, okay. So that was really nice of him. So we're gonna try some right now, and we'll report to see if it was delicious, if there's anything left. So, fun fact: I hate the end parts of sausages. I don't know why. I think they're disgusting. So, I'm gonna eat one of the insides. Wow, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. This is like, oh, my sister's not gonna be able to eat it. It's
Why?
spicy.
It's too spicy?
Yeah, that's pretty damn spicy. Oh,
Yeah, that's what Michael was saying.
that with the side of rice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is very flavorful.
It's so soft.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even need enough work.
It does have a nice kick to it, though.
Mm-hmm.
Not overwhelming, but it does have the heat present.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this is good.
Ray, if you ever see this, which you probably won't, this is delicious.
Hell yeah.
In April, I don't know if you helped, but this is delicious. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. I have not vlogged today all day, and it is 5 o'clock. And I haven't vlogged because we've literally done nothing. I spent most morning editing some vlogs, and then we had milk for breakfast with cookies, some sausage for lunch, and now we're gonna go get dinner. And for dinner, we're gonna do some surprise Mexican food. We're gonna go to this place that we found last month or 2 months ago, and we really like. So we're gonna go get some burritos. It's gonna be our eating out of the weekend. We actually did really well this weekend and did not eat out one day except for now. So I'm pretty proud of us. We're trying to use up the food that we have, and also because eating out gets really expensive. So we're trying to be smart with our money and trying to use up what we have. But anyways, we're gonna go get some food now and bring it back. And it's very cold outside for us Californians. You would think we're going to the snow, but we're not. All right, so here is dinner. I made myself a delicious enchilada with the Modelo mango, some tacos. I'm kind of sad though, because I wanted some tripa tacos and they were out. So that's very sad. So I ended up just getting regular carne asada, which I wasn't expecting to get, but oh well. And I have half of my burrito there. Francisco's burrito has been thrown on the table like a sad burrito. Hello everyone, it is 7:45. Huh? What? And we just got finished watching, well, we almost finished watching Home Alone #1. That's one of my childhood movies from Christmas. My dad loved that movie. Or I loved it. Somebody loved it. I don't know. But I watched it a lot when I was little. But anyways, now we're going to make this here. The Rits Carlton's is Blueberry Muffins. And I saw Tyler and Jessica Braun making these in one of their Vlogmases, and it looked really good. So I figure Francisco and I will give it a try. Are you excited?
Yep.
How do you think they're gonna come out?
I don't know. I haven't even actually seen what they look like. And then results, so we'll see.
They should be rather easy to make. I mean, it's 4 steps, so I don't think there's much space for error. So we're heating up the oven now, and we're gonna get started. So let's see how it comes out. Heat oven to 425. Mix all ingredients together. Oh, all dry ingredients together. Okay. So then we're gonna start with here. You're gonna go like this, or do you want to pour it in? And I'll do it.
I'll pour it in.
Sift it. Okay.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
Oh, that was in 3.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you.
Smells really, really good.
It's not cooked all the way?
I can't tell. Has a lot of blueberries in it. Doesn't really have much flavor at the bottom though.
So you don't like it, is what you're trying to tell me.
Not one of my faves.
Oh, wow. That's messed up. You freaking destroyed this freaking poor muffin.
I was trying to take it out of the packaging.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good, you think?
I like it. It's very blueberry.
Well, you had one with the topping too, with the top.
I don't understand why you ate the bottom.
Oh, because that's what was left in the wrapper.
I feel like it needed more sugar.
It did. I think so too.
But overall, it's not bad. I like it. You don't like it?
I don't.